Welcome back to Luxury Auto Insights, where we bring you the finest, most luxurious automobiles from around the world. Today, we have something truly special: the 2025 Lexus LBX, a compact crossover that blends elegance, technology, and efficiency into one sleek package. Lexus has long been synonymous with luxury and refinement, and with the LBX, they're redefining what a premium compact SUV should be. But does it live up to the Lexus legacy? Let's find out. At first glance, the Lexus LBX 2025 commands attention. The signature spindle grille has been reimagined to be more seamless, blending smoothly with the sleek LED headlamps. It's bold yet elegant, to just what you'd expect from a brand like Lexus. And those 20-inch alloy wheels? Absolutely stunning. Moving along the side, the sculpted lines give it a dynamic stance, while the black roof option adds a sporty touch. Despite being a compact SUV, the LBX carries the Lexus DNA of sophistication in every detail. And check out the rear. The LED light bar spans the width of the vehicle, giving it a modern and aggressive look. Lexus has mastered the art of combining sportiness with class, and the LBX is no exception. Now, let's step inside and experience true Lexus luxury. The moment you enter the Lexus LBX 2025, you're surrounded by high-quality materials. From soft leather upholstery to real aluminum trim, Lexus ensures every inch of the cabin feels premium. Technology is at the forefront here. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster delivers sharp, customizable displays, while the 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Mark Levinson sound system. Lexus has also introduced gesture controls and touch-sensitive buttons for a futuristic experience. Everything is designed to be intuitive and driver-focused. Despite its compact size, the LBX doesn't compromise on space. The rear seats offer ample legroom, and the cargo area is surprisingly generous, perfect for city drives or weekend getaways. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus LBX features a 1.5-liter hybrid powertrain producing 136 horsepower. It may not be the most powerful SUV, but its fuel efficiency is outstanding, making it an excellent choice for urban commuters. The E4 all-wheel drive system ensures stability in different road conditions, while Lexus Adaptive Suspension delivers a smooth, comfortable ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the highway, the LBX feels refined and composed. And of course, safety is a priority. Lexus equips the LBX with Lexus Safety System Plus, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, blind spot monitoring. With these advanced features, you're always protected on the road. So, who is the Lexus LBX 2025 for? If you want premium comfort, cutting-edge technology, and eco-friendly efficiency in a compact SUV, this is an excellent choice. Lexus has once again proven why they're a leader in luxury automobiles. The 2025 LBX is stylish, refined, and packed with features that make it stand out in the compact SUV segment. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Luxury Auto Insights. Let us know in the comments what do you think of the Lexus LBX 2025? Would you drive one? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.